Thanks for clicking on to the Thursday edition of Vogan's European Outlook. A couple of days ago, we've seen Canada reach the hottest temperature ever recorded, 49.6 Celsius at Lytton, British Columbia. Unfortunately for them, it doesn't get any better because we've got a major wildfire rushing through that community as I speak, and the whole community, I think, has been evacuated. So a very dire situation, unfortunately, for those folks. And there's a lot of heat globally, as you can see here on the Climate Reanalyzer chart for today. But what is interesting is I want to point something out to you. A lot of talk, of course, at the moment about the heat and heat waves and climate change. The temperature for today, according to the GFS globally, is sitting at 0.2 Celsius. So I just want to say something. As much as you'll get the doomsday scenario from the media and from several various outlets, the Earth is not on fire, as you would be made to believe, I think. And it's just always important to keep some perspective. We actually are to date, so the year to date, coolest since 2014. Another interesting fact for you to take note of. So you can see here, obviously, a lot of heat across the Pacific Northwest, Northern Plains, much of Canada. Actually, we've got some areas of cool over Ontario, up across northern Alaska. Look at this area here, over the heart of south central United States. We've got plenty of cool, wet conditions here. Also want to point out that we've had very significant record-breaking cold. At the very same time that we've seen all-time records fall in the Pacific Northwest, we've seen some monthly cold records set in Argentina. So again, a little bit of perspective, and don't want to upset people. I know there is people out there that are firm believers of climate change in terms of man-made climate change. I'm not denying that the Earth has warmed up. My biggest problem is what is causing the warming, whether it's CO2, water vapor, solar, whatever. The Earth has warmed up. I will admit that. There's no denying that. But my issue is, where were we at 2,000 years ago when there was nobody recording temperature on Earth? That is my biggest problem with the whole global warming aspect, is that I don't believe that we've not been as warm as this in the past. And even places like Canada, 49.6 degrees. Yeah, astonishing heat. Never thought I would see that in my lifetime. But has it happened before? That's the big question. Anyway, enough about that. We, of course, in the last few days have seen pesky areas of cut-off low pressure pushing from the Atlantic across France, and now it is positioned over Germany here. And what that's essentially done, as you can see here as we skip through the loop, that area of low pressure in the upper levels pushing eastwards. What that's happening, of course, we've always had that blocking area of high pressure to the north. So that's the reason why we've had 233% of normal rainfall in the south coast of England, and only less than a quarter of normal precipitation across Scotland, is because of this upper level setup that we've seen. Albeit it's been a very warm month across Europe, generally speaking. But you can see what the effect of this has had. This was the daytime temperatures yesterday. Only 17 degrees in Paris. 24 degrees is the average for this time of the year. In Paris, we've seen 14, 15 degrees in parts of eastern and East Anglia. So that is very chilly final day of June across the eastern and southeastern portion of England. We've also seen some very chilly numbers northeastern France, Belgium, Netherlands, Western Germany, and today, as I speak, we've got that cool pool. So this is the upper level low. This is the influence of that upper level low over the central portion of Europe. Notice here that we're starting to warm things up gradually in parts of France, including Paris, even including parts of the southeast of England. We're still seeing that nagging wind coming in from the northeast off the cold North Sea, keeping temperatures trimmed back. But as this feature pushes east, we'll start to build pressure behind that, and we'll start to see temperatures rise. And I think we're going to see mid-20s in the next few days across the southeast of England here. So we're going to start to warm things up, I think. Looking at the precipitation, and this is what I'll end with today, this is the upcoming 7-day period. This is the precipitation anomaly, so rainfall compared to normal for the next 7 days here. So this is the first full 7, even 8 days of the model. Dry across the north because of high pressure, but of course we've got more areas of low pressure following in behind. We've got more areas of low pressure that will take this southerly track, this anomalously southerly track, because remember, you shouldn't get this at this time of the year, but weather that you would typically see away up north of Iceland, we're seeing down across France, Low Countries. The heart of Europe appears to be wetter than normal over the next 7 days here. Then we'll start to see a turnaround, and we'll start to see drier conditions establishing over the British Isles, hence higher pressure. We've got wetter conditions starts to push into the southeastern half of Europe. Continued to see that dry theme 15th through the 22nd of July. But then notice here that the model is indicating something a little bit closer to average, slightly above average in terms of rainfall during the second half of July, which is quite interesting. The very end of July, in fact, 29th through the 5th of August here, could be hinting at something a little bit wetter here. So that's it for today. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll be back probably in the next couple of days with more. Bye for now.